Hello, lovely people, and welcome to 2026. So, stop. The Christmas dinner is gone, the New Year dinner is gone, but it's still left here, right? You still can feel it. And all of us, I think, or most of us, we gave the promises to start eating healthy from the New Year. So let's start. Let's check the fridge. For our healthy dinner, we're gonna need eggs, fresh eggs, cucumber, some cheese, and we take olive oil, so, some salt, and some black pepper. Remember, healthy. And of course, tasty. And quick. So, what's new in our 2026? The weather is fine. It's actually so much snow outside. I hope in your country also. What else? The United States started the aggression against Venezuela, but we don't talk about politics here. I hate aggression actually, but this makes sense. So we start the oven. Yeah. Put it on maximum heat. Once again, no politics. We just talk about cooking. Add some olive oil. And wait until it's gonna get hot. It's actually so hot in Venezuela right now, but we don't talk about it. We're not gonna use much salt, because salt is no good for you. Do you know how the French say? They say too egg kill too much, which means don't eat shit. Literally, it means actually you are what you eat. So you don't want to be salt. Don't eat too much salt, but a little bit is good for your day. Pepper is good also. Not too much. Cheese is okay, unless it's fresh and a good quality. Cucumber is, of course, nice. And our eggs, we make sure they are fresh. How do we make sure they are fresh? We check the date. Sometimes you can see the date here. Okay, you can't see here. Oh, you can. It was made in the end of December, and they're usually good for 30 days, so they're quite fresh. So we need knife. It's already hot. Oh, here it is. Let's start. One egg. Easy. 1, 2, 3. Egg. Okay. Second. 1, 2, oh. Yeah. Don't hit them too hard, otherwise you can hit your fingers. And make sure you don't break the egg yellow. Yes. You see? One of them is broken, so our sunny side up will be not so perfect, but okay. So now a little bit salt. Just a little bit. Yeah. Remember, eat healthy. So don't forget about salt. 3 eggs are more than enough for one person. Even for a big person like me. So, you take the plate. Let's cut our cucumber. In order not to cut our fingers, when we cut something, we put the fingers like that on top. Yeah, you see the knife is going all the way down. Not like this. Like this we can cut the finger. You see that? See that? Yeah. Nice. And no aggression, yeah? Do it nicely. Not going proud. Usually takes just 2 or 3 minutes for our sunny side omelette. Actually, why they call it sunny side up? You know? So it's called sunny side up. There is no sun here. There is no freaking sun outside. There's a bloody snow. There is sun in Venezuela, but we don't talk about it. Anyway, it's called sunny side up omelette. It takes just 3, maybe 4 minutes. If we overcook it, it's gonna get yellow on the bottom side, even brown to yellow. And then it's not really good for your stomach and liver. And you only have one liver, unfortunately, so some cheese. You remember the fingers? Slice. Yeah. Uh-huh. 1, 2. One more. Yes. Back to the fridge. Oh, the weather is just beautiful. I hope it's so beautiful in your country also. Anywhere you are, remember, the weather outside is not so important as the weather inside. Inside here also. As you see, it's almost ready. One moment. Yeah. Oh. Back in the days, I used to put a lot of salt on top of the cucumbers. But now, as you remember how French say, don't eat too much. So a lot of salt if you eat, it's really bad for everything in you. Even for the bones, for the joints, so it stays inside. But without salt you cannot cook. So just a little bit. Okay, we're almost done. Yeah. So this is going to be our first healthy meal in 2026. Oh, I still feel everything from the dinner. Oh. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. And it's actually done. We switch it off. And up. Up. Come on. Here. Up. Okay. Only 10 minutes. And our beautiful side omelette is done. So let's try. So once again, Happy New Year. Keep your promises. Stay alive, stay healthy, eat healthy. And let me eat this, actually.